Hi, I'm Kieran from Accessory Village, and today I'm going to be reviewing the STK 3-in-1 data charging cable. Now that I've taken the cable out of the packaging, you can see that there is a reasonable length to the cable. There is 3/4 of a meter, that is, and now we can take a closer look at the connectors. We have a Apple 30-pin connector, an Apple 8-pin lightning connector, and we also have a micro USB for other smartphones like BlackBerry, Samsung or HTC. I think the good thing about this cable is that it allows people with multiple smartphones or devices to only have one cable, and that prevents the clutter of cables. And for those of you that have a family with all different smartphones and devices, this is an ideal cable for you. There is a small indentation here, so when you connect it to a device and take it out, it does it very efficiently. I'm Kieran from Accessory Village, and I'd like to thank you for watching my video review of the STK 3-in-1 charging and data cable.